Three resistors R1, R2 and R3 are connected in series across a voltage source of V volts. The voltage across R1 is 4 volts, power loss in R2 is 16 watts and the value of R3 is 6 ohms. If the current flowing through the circuit is 2 amperes, find the voltage V. So here all the elements, there are three resistors R1, R2, R3 and they are connected in series. So it comes under equivalent circuits. So elements connected in series. So first let us develop a diagram for the given information. So here three resistors R1, R2, R3 are connected in series. So that's why first point, let us develop a diagram. Let us establish a diagram for the given information. So here R1, R2, R3 are the three resistors connected in series. So after that, what he is saying, across a voltage source of V volts. So and all these three elements connected in series are connected to a voltage source V. So he is not saying anything about that V also, and he is giving the voltage across R1. So first, after connecting all the elements in the series, once we connect this R1, R2, R3 to the voltage source, definitely there is a current in the circuit. So let I is the current, same current is flowing, and once there is a current in the resistors elements, so voltage is developed across the elements. So here R1, R2, R3 are connected in series and that combination is connected to a voltage source. Once they are connected to a voltage source, current is the resultant. There is a current in the circuit and current in the circuit is I, because they are connected in series, same current is flowing. Once there is current in the elements, now voltage is developed across the elements. So voltage across R1 is V1, voltage across R2 is V2, voltage across R3 is V3. So once there is voltage and current in the elements, there is a power in the elements. So power in the element R1 is, let it is be P1 and P2 is the power in R2, P3 is the power in R3. Now let us write the relations among these terms. So here if you take the first element, so first element V1 R1 I1 relation is V1 equal to R1 into I. And power in R1 is, there are three ways. P1 equal to, if you know voltage and current, V1 into I is the power. If you know current and resistor value, P1 equal to I square R1. And if you know V1 and R1, P1 equal to V1 square R1, V1 square by R1. So similarly, in second element, if you know R2 and I, V2 equal to R2I, that is the relation between V2 R2I, and P2 equal to V2I, if you know voltage and current. If you know current and resistor value, P2 equal to I square R2. If you know voltage and resistor value, P2 equal to V2 square by R2. So similarly for the third element, V3 equal to R3 into I, that is the relation between V3, R3 and I is same. There is no I1, I2, I3 because same current is flowing in all the elements. P3 equal to, so if you know voltage and current of third element, P3 equal to V3I. If you know current in the element and resistor value, P3 equal to I square R3. If you know voltage and resistor value of the third element, P3 equal to V3 square by R3. So these are the different combinations, relations. And in the given problem, he is giving V1 as first element voltage is giving. So V1 equal to 4 volts. And second element power is given. So P2 equal to 16 watts. And third element resistor value is given 6 ohms. And current in the circuit is 2 amperes. So this piece of information is given. So first element voltage is given, second element power is given, third element resistor value is given, and current in all the elements is 2 amperes. Now by using these relations we have to develop the remaining unknown values. So here we have to develop, so if V1 is given, so here we have to develop what is R1, what is P1. So here P2 is given, we have to find R2 value, V2 value. So here R3 is given, so we have to find what is V3, what is P3. So by using this relations. So here let us first focus on the first element, V1 equal to R1I. So here V1 value is given, R1 is unknown, I value is given 2. So from by using that relation V1 equal to R1I, we can find R1 equal to 2 ohms. Once we get this R1 equal to 2 ohms, let us try to find power P1 equal to V1 into I. So now we know what is V1, we know what is I. So 4 into 2 is 8 watts. If you write all that values of first element, R1 equal to 2 ohms, V1 equal to 4 volts, I equal to 2 amperes and P1 equal to 8 watts. So similarly, second element. Now let us focus on the second element, P2 equal to I square R2. I am using this relation because P2 is given, I value is known, so R2 is unknown. So 16 equal to 2 square R2. So from that one, R2 equal to 4 ohms. Once we get this R2, so by using this relation V2 equal to R2 into I, we can find V2. V2 equal to 4 into I is 2. So 4 into 2 is 8 volts. So now let us write all the values related to the second element. R2 equal to 4 ohms and V2 equal to 8 volts, I equal to 2 amperes and P2 equal to 16 watts. So similarly, now let us focus on the third element. V3, basic relation between voltage and current and resistor value is V3 equal to R3I. So here R3 value is given 6 and the current in the element is 2. So 6 into 2 is 12 volts. So 12 volts is the voltage across the third element R3. So P3, to find P3 I am using I square R3 relation. I is 2 square is 4 into R3 is 6, so 6 4 is 24 watts. Now if you write all the values of third element, R3 equal to 6 ohms, V3 equal to 12 volts, I equal to 2 amperes and P3 equal to 24 watts. So in that way we are finding the parameters of all the electrical terms, electrical values of all the elements. Now let us focus on the net value, voltage V. So here voltage V equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. So similarly, same current is flowing in all the elements, I is same, and the total power given by the source equal to P1 plus P2 plus P3. So now let us try to find that values. So what is the V source voltage? What is P total power given by the source? So finally he is asking only find the voltage V. So here V is equals to V1 plus V2 plus V3. So that is 4 plus 8 plus 12 equal to 24 volts. So similarly R is, how can you replace all the three resistors connected in series with one value is R equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. That is 2 plus 4 plus 6 is 12 ohms. So I is same in all the elements, I equal to 2 amperes. Then 2 amperes. Now P, what is the power taken by all the three elements or power given by the source? Is there are three ways of getting power. So if you know I and R value, I square R. If you know V and R value, V square by R. And if you know voltage and current value, voltage into current. So you can use any of the relation. So finally you get 48 watts. So total source voltage is 24 volts. All the elements can be replaced with one resistor whose value is 12 ohms. And the current in the circuit is 2 amperes and power given by the source is 48 watts.